Hi guys! Happy Sunday! It's so sunny today and I think this is a great day for all of us. Tomorrow is the first day of class for those students. So, welcome back to school guys. So, in this video, I want to share with you what's inside my makeup bags. So, we are here right now in Manila. So, yesterday we arrived early morning. So, yeah, medyo pagod all day sa kaka-stroll. But then, it's just it. It's part of, it's just a part of the day. So, in this video, I want to share what's inside my makeup bags na pang travel. So, the first, in this first pouch that I have, so it's already open. So I got with me this L'Oreal lip tint, this one, in the shade I Embrace. So this is my favorite tint for the moment. And I also got these Happy Skin tint again in the shade Focus. I have random lang to guys. So, kung ano lang yung makakuha ko. Okay. So, this one is from Maybelline Temptation. Total Temptation. So, as you can see, ito siya on my lashes. And I have this brush from Anklutz. I got this from Shopee because dun lang siya available. So, this is the contour brush of Anklutz. And then, I have with me my Color Rich Matte from L'Oreal again. This is nice. This in the shade Rose Garden. I have with me my tinted moisturizer. You can see this in Watson's. This is just like 100 pesos, I think. And I have with me my blush. It's from Maybelline. Maybe it's Maybelline. This is in the shade Nude. And then this one is my new found BB cream. This is just so cute. Diba? It's so nice. So I just got this from Mercury Drugstore. This is just 190 pesos. And then this one, my sponge na parang dugyot. This is from Beauty Blender. And then I have here my Clio Kill Cover Concealer. Yes, I'm in the shade 3BY. For color preference lang guys, in MAC, I am using NC25. So, sa Clio, 3BY ako. And then, I have this with me. This is my new eyebrow. Ano to? This is from Sunny's Face. I forgot what shade. I think ash brown. And then, I have this with me, my spoolie, na super cute lang. And then, my L'Oreal na lip liner. And then, my brushes. My eyelash curler. Ano pa ba? I have this, razor. This one is from the L'Oreal. This is the Micro Tattoo Brow Artist. Yes. This one is also nice. So, I brought along with me my contour from Vice Cosmetics in the shade For Sure. I also brought along with me my Shimmering Hour Glow from Vice Cosmetics. I just put a little on it. So, on my cheeks, I use first the Maybelline blush in the shade Nude, and then nilagyan ko to ng Vice Cosmetics na shimmering. So on this pouch, what I got along with me is this. This is from Pond's, my Magic Powder BB powder. So this is just available sa mga Watsons and other drugstores. This is just like 89 pesos lang. And then I have this clean and clear oil control film for for getting the oil sa face. And then here I have my L'Oreal Paris na powder, True Match. So I'm in the shade Nude Ivory N2. I also have this pang highlight na brush, also from Anklutz. This one is so nice. Isa lang to sa life ko, so I am taking good care of it. I have my Marc Jacobs eyeliner, which I am not using. Sometimes lang, so I just put it here so that if gusto ko lang, so meron ako. And then for my tint again, I am bringing this I Am Worth It. So this one, it's nice. Super red siya, pero if you put in your lips, parang nagla-lighten din siya, and then it's not too red. So fresh naman. And then here, my eyeshadow from Clio. This is Prism Air in the shade Be More Coral. So hindi pa ako nakalagay. Later na lang siguro. And then this one pala I brought along with me also. This is just a small mirror. I got this from Miniso. Daiso. So it's so cute. Matagal na to sa akin. And then for my brows again, I have this Benefit. So sometimes I use the Sunny's Face. This one, because the Sunny's Face is my newest brow mascara. So lately nagagamit ko to, but before I really am using this every day. And then I have this, my small scissor. So I have empty pouches. I did not bring along the foundation because I know that I will not be using it here. So BB cream from Pond's is already okay. So those are the things that I have with me right now. But in a while we will be going out. So I will just be bringing I think this powder for retouch lang. And then I will be bringing my tint from L'Oreal. So that will be all to, parang okay na siya for the day. And also maybe I'm gonna bring this one for my face later para mag-add ng glow sa cheeks ko. So that is it, guys. So those are the products that I have in my pouches. So I hope you enjoy watching this video, and thank you for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye bye. Have a great Sunday. We need to go to church, and after stroll around and eat